Hello? Today I have an Autotherm R4D in my workshop and I'm going to replace the blower. In this video, I'll show you how quick and easy it is. So, here we have our Autotherm R4D. Now we're going to replace the blower. We need to take off the casing here. We disconnect the cables here. They are fastened here with a cable tie with a clamp like this. We'll get those off real quick. There's a plug right back here. Right over here, we will unplug this. Then we take a Phillips head screwdriver and we unscrew the screw. Using a Torx T25, we loosen the 4 mounting screws of the blower. In this case, it is a warranty repair and we will be replacing the blowers free of charge. Since it's a warranty claim, we need to write down the serial number. Okay, and then we will put it all back together again. So in reverse, we plug it back in. And here we connect the blower cable. You have to make sure that this cable with the black insulation is always positioned where this white dot is. In this case, the cables run up here, so you can bend it just a tiny little bit. And secure this with cable ties, just like it was originally. We mustn't forget that. We're just checking if the cables are seated correctly. And put the device back together. And that's it. In a moment, we put the little device on the diagnostic bench and test it out. We've got the heater on the diagnostic bench now and are going to test how it runs. The diagnostic test takes about 30 minutes, and after that, we'll return the device to our customer. Our device has been running completely trouble-free for quite a while now. It'll start cooling down soon because the time for this test is almost up. As soon as the device has cooled down completely, we'll download the report and then ship the device to the customer. And they can continue to enjoy the warm air in their camper van. The Autotherm R4D has now been repaired and the blower has been replaced. As you have just seen, this is not a difficult task at all. You can easily do it with the simple tools that you already have in your workshop. You can get all spare parts at punman.de.